Oh, so beautiful, isn't it? So pretty. This is my second wife, actually.
Coffee and food student tray.
Wife was.
We also open for lunch and dinner.
Oh, lunch for dinner. Yeah.
Where are you from, sir?
Wow.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to like flea market in Seminyak Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how to like flea market in Seminyak Bali, just keep staying in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Give me 5. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video at Flea Market Seminyak Bali. This is location at Seminyak, in Kayu Aya Square. So let's let me show you how busy Flea Market today. Wow, quite busy this area. That's good, isn't it? Woo. GT from America. That's the Obroy. Yeah, this is your area actually. You know exactly around Seminyak area. Love it. From America, GT. Okay, so this is the main gate to go to Kayu Aya Square. Let me show you how busy at Flea Market today. And I will show you how to like Flea Market Seminyak Bali. Ooh. What about me? What about me? Boss. Yeah, this is Kayu Aya Square. We hope together we will see a lot of tourists at Flea Market today. But if you want to know how to like Kayu Aya Square, let me walk around in this area first before I'll show you inside the Flea Market. This is the stuff what they're selling here at Flea Market. Maybe you're interesting to come. This is still in Kayu Aya Square. Actually, Flea Market just over there. That's the main gate to go to Flea Market. This is Kayu Aya Square. And also, in Kayu Aya Square, there is next restaurant we call Nia, Warung Nia. Rame mbak, rame mas. Yeah, futurists they are doing shopping here. It's good. Okay, and as I told you, there is also a cooking class here. Benande restaurant. Masih sepi deh ya?
Iya Pak.
Oh.
Buka Pak.
Oh, just opening. What time they opening here? 11 a.m. just starting. And also over there is a cooking class. Let me show you how busy over there. Usually there is futurists. They learn how to cook. Warung Bernande. You know this girl? Oh, so beautiful, isn't it? So pretty. This is my second wife, actually.
No, just joke.
I wish. Just joke, yeah. They right. Okay, let me show you. This is Warung Nia, yeah. And this is a cooking class here. Warung Nia. Wow.
Don't make chicken satay like this. Don't do like that, alright? You must make it lengthwise long. after that, 2 and 3. Only 3 pieces cover like this. Don't make it like this. We create this burning. And don't make it like yesterday, they make it social distancing like this. Don't do like that. Only 3 pieces. The last one cover it and put to the tray. Okay, that's it. Now everybody together, one glove, everybody one glove, one hand, and together make chicken satay.
Chicken satay. Wow, they learn how to make chicken satay. Yeah, this is cooking class at Warung Nia.
Yeah, we're doing cooking class also here.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm looking at our menu of cooking class.
Let me show you what they're selling here for the menu.
This one for menu of cooking class.
Okay, so you can screenshot if you want to know exactly the price because it's moving quite fast.
We also open for lunch and dinner.
Oh, lunch for dinner. Yeah,
Where are you from, sir?
dari sini.
Oh, dari sini.
Saya bikin YouTube ini biar rame ya.
Makasih.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. Okay, let's walk around. This is my second wife actually. Okay, let me show you Flea Market. Flea Market just beside at Kayu Aya Square. Woo. Yeah, and as usually I make video without skip because I want to show you the real session at the moment in Kayu Aya Square and also Flea Market. And today, and now it's 11:30 a.m. Wow, looks still quiet, isn't it? Whew. Not busy yet. Okay, so welcome to Flea Market. Let me show you how busy and how look like Flea Market Seminyak Bali. Wow, a few tourists over there already. It's good. It's quite busy, isn't it? Wow. They are selling jewelry here. Wow, busy. Wow. This is jewelry. Let's walk around in this side first. Okay, let's enjoy the natural atmosphere at the Flea Market. Halo. Hello. How are you?
You can, start and then you can, what have you bought?
Which kind of bag? 350. What kind of bag? Hello. Last 300, no bargain. 300, no bargain. 300. 150. That is it. Is it 150? Oh, for the bag. Take it as you want. Segini lah balik.
Okay guys, so this is our dinner today at Flea Market in Kayu Aya Square in Seminyak, Bali. So what do you think? It is interesting to come and to shopping here. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know how to look like Flea Market in Seminyak, Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, this is Flea Market in Seminyak, Bali. Wow. This is also the main gate from the backside to go to the Flea Market. Just from here. And I just start my video from this area, from over there. So main gate over there, and also this is the main gate from the back side. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.